Welcome to How to Art 7 Beginner Steps to Improve Your Drawings. This video is a part of YourArtPath.com where you can find all the inspiration, motivation, and information about art that you'll ever need. Did you see an awesome drawing somewhere on the web or have a friend who's amazing at drawing and now you want to learn? You are at the right spot. I can promise that if you use all the tips mentioned here, you will see major improvements in no time. Just picture being able to sit down and enjoy quality time with yourself while creating something beautiful that you can show off. Sounds awesome? That's what I thought. Here is a list of top 7 things you can do to reach your art goals. Number 1. Get the right supplies. Nothing fancy. A pencil, an eraser, and a sharpener will do. Or a mechanical pencil. If you want to go for it, also get markers or a pen. They're comfortable and fun to use. When I was starting out, I would first draw everything with a pencil, lots of erasing, trust me. And then I would go on to go over the lines with a pen or a marker. It's really fun, and it looks great at the end. I still do it. Number 2. Lots of paper. And when I say lots of paper, I mean lots of paper. Don't buy expensive paper and cherish every sheet. All you need is A4 printing paper that you can buy for cheap considering how many sheets there are. If something doesn't work out, just throw it out and start again. Being messy and chaotic is fun, and it also boosts creativity levels. Number 3. Find your reference. You imagine something great in your head and want to put it down on paper. After a few hours you realize it's nothing what you expected and you give up saying I don't have talent. But you don't get that even experienced artists use reference images all the time. Before you learn how to draw from your head, you just have to learn how to draw it. So there's a lot of free websites you can use. There's a few I mentioned right here. Or you can just take your camera and take some pictures yourself. Number 4. Break down the image. You've got the supplies and the reference photo. What now? Where do you start? The first thing you need to do is to break down the image to a few simple forms. It's easy. Whatever shape you see, draw it. Squint your eyes if you need to. We're not here to look at all the curves, but just straight lines and right angles. Then after you're sure with the proportions, you can slightly erase the shapes and go over with more defined lines, now looking at curves and some more detail. In description, you can find a link to see this image full size. 5. Learn shading techniques. Shading is important as it defines the volume, lighting, and texture of your art. There are a lot of great videos and articles about it, so I won't get into detail, but instead we'll have this video linked down below. Number 6. Consistency is the key to success. To become good at anything, you have to do it consistently. Working out, cooking, singing, and so on, art is no different. If you want to see results, put away 15 minutes a day and just draw every day for 15 minutes. Can you do that? If yes, then it's the beginning to your mastery in art. Number 7. Don't be afraid and have fun. Even amazing artists start out as amateurs. Don't compare yourself with your favorite artist, but compare your skills today with the ones you had yesterday. Do that every day and you will see improvements. Keep in mind your artist as goals that you can reach and then get even better. So that's all for now. You can also check out our website for more art content at YourArtPath.com. We are building a community together. This website is still a baby, but with you it can turn into something way bigger. Please like or comment if you've learned something new or you got motivated to go and draw right now. You're starting off on an amazing path. Good luck to you. XOXO, your art bud.